Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. My Luigi's Mansion Lego set with King Boo, Stupid Toad being trapped in the painting, the grabbing ghost, the garbage can ghost. Oh, this is so beautiful. Hey, wake up. Wake up, me. Yeah, that's right. It's Luigi time. Alright, you ready? We'll play now. Alright, go for it. Let's play this. I'm gonna rescue Toad. Now it's time to fight King Boo. You know what? I'm gonna take King Boo off and finish him. Come here. Wait, let me put him up. There we go. I finished. And there we go. I defeated King Boo and got to the goal. Oh. I guess you're loving your Lego set, Luigi? I'm loving it, Mario. And also, look at King Boo. He looks like one of those fat ghosts from Minecraft, to be honest. Yeah, I know. But hey, he looks awesome. Luigi, you might want to put him back. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I can't believe that Nintendo finally came out with more Lego sets than just my starter course for me. Like, I'm very happy about that. Like, I'm getting Luigi's Mansion for Lego. Like, that's awesome. Got the garbage can ghost, the red grabbing ghost, Toad being stuck in the painting. I want to have fun with this. Ooh, there's red coins. Get that. There's also a... Yeah, here's another one, too. Wait, I want to get that one. Yeah, I got that one. There we go. I got all of them. Wait a second. Hey, Mario. Yeah, Luigi? I think I might have an idea on how to defeat King Boo in one hit. Really? Yeah. Just look. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. So let me just get King Boo again. Just sit him upwards. Let me just use my Lego character. Ready to die, King Boo? I'm invincible. Let's see if I can defeat the ghosts. Oh, I can! I can defeat them! I can defeat King Boo and these ghosts. Gotta put him back again. Hey, Mario. Yeah, Luigi? You wanna do multiplayer? Sure. Alright, let's do multiplayer. Let me hold them down.
Hello, Luigi. Hi, Mario.
Alright, you ready, Mario? I'm ready, Luigi. Let me just close our roof together. Let's see if, let's see how we do in the mansion together. Alright. I want to go, here. Wait, let me flip this. Let me get out of the way. And, I want to see this thing flip. Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I want to see if it can hit me. Ow. Oh, I got hurt, and, minifigure just reacted to me getting hurt. I call dibs rescuing Toad. Wait. There we go. We rescue Toad. Oh yeah, Mario, you can even find gems here. Found one. Found two. Let's see where the third and final one is. This is kind of reminding me of Toad's Treasure Hunt. Yeah, me too, actually, where you get to find the gems and stuff. That's the only thing that's reminding me of Toad's Treasure Hunt, to be honest. Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, definitely. Alright. Ooh, the bedroom. Let's see what could be in the bedroom. Pillow. Oh, gee. I just so happened to find a gem. Now let me put it back before the ghosts kill me. I'm gonna be in here. I'm gonna be spinning. Oh, wow. I love this set. This is awesome. Oh, man. Let's see the garbage can ghosts. Oh, and you reacted to me getting scared. Wait, I want to see. Well, this is awesome. Yeah, this is the first time that we actually have a ghost Lego set from our franchise. Exactly, and this is awesome. Hey there, little ghost. You suck. So do you. Look at this stupid face. Why do you think he's making that face? It looks weird. Tell me about it. Wait. Piece of hair? How did I find hair in here? How did I find hair? No, look, I found hair. That's weird. Oh yeah, if you stand on the brown pieces, you get this cool walking board animation. It's awesome. I know, it's amazing. I know, tell me about it. What else can we do in here? I mean, this Lego set is amazing and I love it, but I think all we can do is just, you know, press the start and then just roam around, defeat King Boo. Oh yeah, let's see if we can defeat King Boo together. Alright. Taking him off for the third time. Kick him in his ghostly behind, his haunted booty. Yeah, you know, I'll just sit him up like that. Alright. I'll give him the first couple hits. And I'll take care of the rest. See? That's awesome. I mean, we can both do it to any of the bosses, you know, like Bowser Jr. or Boom Boom or Larry. And we can definitely do it to King Boo. Exactly. You know what? This was one of the best Easter presents that you have gotten me, Mario. Aw, thank you. No, Mario, thank you for getting me an awesome Easter present. Of course, no problem. You're my brother. Like, I'm glad that you're enjoying this Lego set. And it took me the entire night to build it. I know, and I can tell that you put a lot of effort into it. Hey, Mario, look at our minifigures sleeping. Oh, that's so cute. I know, that's adorable. You want to keep on playing more? Oh, heck yeah, let's go. All right, let's go play.